Hey, money makers. If you don't figure out how to use AI to make money, you'll soon be working for someone who did. AI isn't the future. It's happening right now. And while most people are wasting time scrolling, others are quietly stacking cash using AI-powered side hustles. What if I told you that right now? People just like you are making $10,000 a month, working from home on their own schedule using AI. The best part? Most of them started with zero experience. But before you jump in, here's the hard truth. AI is evolving fast. If you don't move quickly, these opportunities could disappear. So stick around, because in this video, I'll reveal the best AI-powered side hustles that are making people rich right now. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. It's the most profitable. Comment below, what's one AI tool you've used before? Let's see who's ahead of the game. And no, ChatGPT doesn't count if the only thing you've done is ask it to write breakup texts. All right, let's jump into different types of side hustles. Side hustle 1. AI copywriting and content creation companies. And brands desperately need content. Blogs, emails, scripts, product descriptions. But hiring full-time writers is expensive. This is where you come in. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.a I can help you write high-quality content in minutes. And how we can make money from it. Offer AI-powered writing services on Fiverr and Upwork. Charge $50 to $200 per blog post or sales copy. Use AI to draft, then add a human touch to make it sound natural. Real example. A guy named Mike started as an AI-assisted copywriter last year. Within 3 months, he was making $12,000 per month writing blog content for startups. This is just the beginning. But what if I told you there's a way to make money from content without writing anything at all? Side Hustle 2 AI YouTube. Automation, forget being a YouTuber with a camera. I can do everything for you. This is called faceless YouTube automation. And how we can make money from it. Use AI tools like Pictory and Synthesia to create fully automated videos. ChatGPT writes the script. AI voiceovers narrate the video. AI editors create high-quality animations. Upload to YouTube, monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. A channel called Tech Trends makes $15,000 per month, posting AI-generated finance videos. No filming, no voice recording, just AI. Here's the best niches for this: finance, motivation tech, and A. So basically, you could be making more money than a lawyer while lying on your couch eating Doritos. Let that sink in. All right, YouTube is huge. But what if I told you there's an AI side hustle that pays even more and requires even less work? Let's talk about it. Side hustle number 3. AI-powered digital art and print on demand. People are making thousands selling AI-generated designs on Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon merch. And how we can make money from it. Use AI tools like Midjourney and Dolly to generate unique digital art. Sell designs as wall art, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. For example, a creator named Sarah started selling AI-generated t-shirt designs on Etsy last year. She now makes $9,000 per month, passively. And the best part? She never even learned how to draw. AI is out here making artists question their entire careers. Now, these have been great. But the next AI hustle? It's a gold mine that no one is talking about yet. Side hustle number 4. AI-powered self-publishing. Amazon KDP. Imagine making money while you sleep, all from AI-generated books. And how we can make money from it. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks on self-help, business, or personal finance. Design covers using Canva or Midjourney. Upload to Amazon KDP and earn royalties every time someone buys. For example, a guy named Daniel uploaded 10 AI-written books on KDP last year. He now makes $12,000 per month in passive income. So here's the pro tip. Combine AI writing with human editing to make your book high quality and profitable. If you still think AI isn't a game changer, just remember, some people are out here making $10,000 a month selling AI-generated cat joke books. The truth is, AI is creating millionaires and leaving others behind. So here's the question. Are you going to use AI to build wealth, or will you watch from the sidelines while others get rich? And speaking of AI and money, if you're wondering how AI can help you invest and grow wealth passively, you need to watch my next video on AI investing. Click here to watch it now. Don't wait. The AI revolution is happening